Hey, if you hear about making money online, what really comes into your mind? You know, when I was getting started in this entrepreneurial world and the whole making money thing, I was really wasting a lot of time on YouTube videos, watching videos such as how you can make money from watching YouTube videos, how you can make money from just watching videos, how you can make money when you're asleep. No, what comes into your mind when you hear about how to make money online? In this video, I'm really going to be sharing with you the exact steps that I'm using. So I want you to pay attention and always remember to hit that subscription button below, because this is a very honest video. I'll not be hiding anything. I'll be showing you the behind the scenes stuff that I usually do to make money online. And I just want to make it so clear to you. When you hear about making money online, you need to just think about this. If you are to get started if you are to actually launch a business today, what could you do? It's the same thing. It's just taking your traditional brick and mortar model from the shops and bringing it into the online space. And that means that you should have a product, you should have people to sell to, unless you're doing forex trading, which that is not my area of specialization, so I will not mention or talk anything about that. But when it comes to making money online, you really need to be giving out a service, having a product that you're providing to the marketplace. So let's just dive into my laptop and let me show you the exact step-by-step way that I usually do to make money online, and also you can start implementing that. Remember to hit that subscription button below to be able to help this video to reach more people, because this is the most valuable, detailed video when it comes to making money online. Follow me on my laptop. So as you can see here, this is my screen, and I want you to take a look at some services that I was able to offer. This is in my company. I'm actually running a digital marketing consultancy company, and when you take a look at this, was a payment that was made yesterday. Just $50, but on recently we usually get a lot of transactions going on, right? Paying and receiving money, and that's why I really want to help you out. If you're serious about making money online and you really want to crash it a lot into the online space and really get into the next level, pay attention to this video. Make sure to stick around up to the end and don't go anywhere. You can see $12, $33, $48. So all I'm explaining to you and all I need you to hear and to really understand is $6. You need to have a product that you are promoting, right? When you get also to this other one, I've not been really working on this one, but let's see if there are commissions inside here. So that actually is really what I talk about when I say having a product. So let's take a look at this. I just want to show you some income proof here. As you can see here, this is sold by, and this is the name is Dennis Mwabo, and you see here there is an item, okay, and here it's the amount, the commission, and this is the item. So for me, what I usually focus on, and you can see this goes all around, all up to here, right? $309. Okay, and for me, you can see on my side, what I usually do is I really focus on digital products, all right? And that's exactly what I want to show you here right now as I record this video. So make sure don't skip any step here, because all steps are vital. So what is the first thing that you're supposed to do? Okay, what is the first thing that you're supposed to do? You can actually get on YouTube, and let me show you a slide that I had made here. You can start making money in these different ways. Okay, let me show you this. Present. You can start making money in these different ways. First, you can do YouTube videos, and I'll explain to you what YouTube videos should you be doing, so that you may not just do YouTube videos, right? YouTube videos that are helping you promote a product that you're selling. Then you can have a Google site. So make sure to stick around up to the end of this video, because I'm showing you also how you can create a free professional website using Google sites that you can be using to actually promote different of your products. Then you need a product, all right? As I told you, you need a product. After you need a product, you also need these platforms to really build your audience, grow your brand, and actually start banking big. guys, this this is a very detailed video, because you know I've been in this space for a while, and I've really seen a lot of people shooting a lot of videos, and I know most of you guys have already tried those techniques of making money online, and I want you to drop in the comments below if you have made serious. You can make $10, $20, $30 or $50 when you've gone a lot, $100, and that is not money that is sustainable. If you want to learn how you can really make good money on the online space, I want you to listen to this video, and I want you to take action on these simple steps that I'll be giving you inside here. So first of all, you can use YouTube videos. I'll show you how I'm using my YouTube videos. Google Sites, also I'll show you how you can use Google Sites. This is the other part, affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, I'll explain to you what is affiliate marketing. Then on my side, I combine it with direct sales. I'll show you also how you combine it with direct sales. And blogging, I'm always not interested in blogging a lot, but I usually focus on these four: YouTube, Google Sites, affiliates, and direct sales. So let's dive in. Using Google Sites, how to create a professional website using Google Sites. So all you just need to do is you want to come on your browser, and on your browser you want to come and search Google Sites. When you search Google Sites, what will happen is it will bring you these Google Sites are no coding required. Just click on Google Sites, and you already have a Google site. Also, if you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google site. So if you take a look at a Google Sites, you're able to start creating your website from scratch. And here, guys, you really don't need to start coding and all those things. Class, club, all these are templates that you can use, and I want to show you the exact thing when I'm telling you how I usually do this. And you can see on my side I have several sites, free sites using Google Sites. Yes, I have my own website, but I usually like doing stuff that I can help people do if they are not actually they are new to this game. They really don't know how they can maybe start buying their website domains and all those stuff. So you can see here I have 1, 2, 3. I have a couple of websites here, and let me click on this one website here that I had created recently, right? And when you check on this website that I had created recently, I have a video that is here, and I have an offer that I'm selling. So you can see how this really looks. It really looks very good. You can see here DNM marketing. You can see my logo here and my brand name. And then you can see these are just some writings, a simple stupid strategy on how I turned $0 to $1,000 using my Facebook profile organically. Webinar replay. So this is a webinar replay, and on this webinar replay, when someone clicks here, this is an upsell. I'm selling a product here, and this is the exact thing that I am showing you, and I am trying to help you understand. So let's take a look at this website, how it looks like on the internet. All right, let me paste the link there. This is the free webinar. Good. This is how it looks like, a simple strategy on how I turned $0 to $1,000 using, and you can see, guys, this website really looks very professional. This looks very professional, and you can see this is a video here. On this video, I am explaining something here, right? I am explaining how I was able to do that, a step-by-step process. You can feel free to go on my YouTube channel here. When you go on my YouTube channel, I think you can watch this video, how I build my business online and make money online. That's the video that is actually related to this site, right? So when you click here, let me show you now. This is an offer that I am promoting here. Someone needs to go and buy something, and when they go and buy something, I am able to make a commission, right? For example, you can see here, this is an offer. This is an offer that I'm telling people, get traffic catalyst. This is a way that you can get free buyer traffic, and then you can actually learn how you can start making money online. Also, this is something that will really help you make money. Also, if you also want to go down on the comments below and check this product, you can go and check it out. So when someone clicks here, you take a look at this. When someone clicks here, they go to buy, right? They go on the buying section. You can see here, this is $12. When they buy, I get paid, and I think you can see here I get paid $7. This is I just launched this like yesterday, $7. So with time it will start piling up. Okay, so now I want you to go on Google site and create a simple website like this. And hey, if you're asking yourself, hey, how can I create a website like this, like what should I post there or what should I do, there is a link down below here. If you're watching this video, all right, there will be a link here in the description, okay, whereby it's saying check my #1 recommended way on how to make money online. Then it's http://mwabudennis.com/get paid. When you click on this, I'll be able to guide you and show you the exact offer that you can promote. And you can see discover a simple proven strategy that makes blah 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 without sending no paid ads. Go click on here. After clicking on here, fill in your email address. After you fill in your email address, I'll be sharing with you what offer can you be able to create and use Google sites or create Google sites. So that is on the offer side. On the other side is on YouTube, all right? So for example, you can see this is like a mini website blog. This is like my blog on Google site, okay? And I want to share with you some of the things that you can do. So what you can do is you can start a website like this on how to make money online, and you can be looking at some of the videos that I'm making on how to make money online. You can be taking the content that I'm creating, and then you can go and reinvent it and actually create your own content. So like for example, you can see this is the first video here, $25 to $100, easy way to make money online in Kenya. So when someone clicks here, it's in this video I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process on the easiest way to make money online. When someone clicks on the view post, let's actually view this website. Let's view this website here. Paste. And you can see, guys, this website is very simple and easy how to make money online, right? When someone clicks on view post, I am sending them to a YouTube video, all right? This YouTube video, okay? I'm sending them to this YouTube video explaining to them something, and you have some content down here also trying to explain to them some stuff. And also on the content, I'm telling them to click here whereby there is an offer that I'm promoting to them. There is an offer that I'm promoting to them. So how can you do this on your side, all right? So what you just want to come here is do the process that I've showed you. Go to Google site. After going to Google site, you can just come here and choose a template. After choosing a template, you can now start creating a website like this on how to make money online. For example, let's just try if we can do that as fast as possible. You click on yes, it's loading. You see this already, it has given me an already made website. So all you just want to do is just want to come here and just type how to make money online, right? Then you can just edit it, make it look a little bit good. To make money online, and then here you can now start. So here's the thing: if you're afraid of actually shooting a video, you can actually just do if you're afraid of shooting a video, you can do an article here, all right? You can do an article here. So when you do an article here, what will happen is you want to have an offer, okay? And where do you get these offers? There's a website here known as, let me show you the one that I usually use. We have Warrior Plus Plus, okay? It's known as Warrior Plus Plus. So when you come here on Warrior Plus Plus, when you click on it, let's see, it's kind of loading. Yeah, when you come here on Warrior Plus Plus, this is the website. Just go and search Warrior Plus Plus. You'll need to sign in, you'll need to register, and this is where you can get offers. You can see here there is offers. When you click on offer, you'll see you have different offers, and you can see these are different offers that you can promote, right? These ones, okay, these are offers that you can promote. And how do you know which offer is best to promote? Is through checking here the convert rate. So if you get a convert rate that is below, I think, 10%, that is really not a very good offer. But if you get an offer like this one, which is 21% convert rate, that is a very good offer. So when you get an offer like this, for example, you can take a look at this. You need to request, actually. For example, this offer conversion rate is 9%. This offer conversion is 15%. That's a little bit low. 19%, 5%, 22%, 22%. This one is a good offer, right? This one is a good offer. So if you want to take a look now at how can you get to promote this offer so that you may be paid. Remember, you already created an account on Warrior Plus. So what you just want to do is come here and click request. When you click requests, you need to request approval. All right, so here's where I find most of the people not being able to actually get approved so that they may get an affiliate link. And that's why on the description below, if you click on that link whereby I'm talking on my #1 recommended way to make money online, if you get into my inner circle, right, where here's my Facebook, you can feel free to connect with me on Facebook. I really share with you how you can really get accepted on Warrior Plus. And you can see, guys, I usually get thousands and thousands of people reaching out to me here on my Facebook. All right, so you can see all these are messages of people sending me messages. You can come here and get into my private group. All right, here, private group, and I'll be sharing with you what you can actually be saying here so that you may be approved. Here. What do you say? Because if you have never done affiliate marketing and you're just a beginner and you have never tried to promote any offer online, it will be hard for you to be approved. Okay, so let's get back to the offers. I've showed you how to create, remember, I've showed you how to create a Google site, and after how to create a free Google site, I'm showing you now where to get the links to actually promote these offers. For example, this one, which is 21%, you can see from here I've been approved to promote it. When I click here, get the link, I'll be able to take this link. And when I take this link, I go back on the Google site that I've created, how to make money online. Then you can create your content and explain to people how to make money online. For example, and if you don't know what to write here, you can come here on Google and search on some of the blogs, how to make money online. And you can take a look at what people are writing in their blogs. For example, started site where you can make money online in Kenya. For example, if you click here, you can come here and take a look at what they are writing. The internet is taking a large print in the world's economy. You can read all this, but guys, I don't encourage you to do plagiarism. All right, don't do plagiarism. Read this and see how they are putting their message. Then come here on your Google site and now write your blog now, blah 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 blah. You write everything there on educating people how they can make money online. And then after that, what you want to do is at the end, you want to tell people, hey, if you want to learn more on how you can start making money online, here is my #1 way. Put here my #1 way that I recommend on how to make money online. Click here, and then here what you want to do now is you want to hyperlink. You want to hyperlink the here, you want to put your affiliate link here, which is the hyperlink link. This is exactly what I do, guys, right? Paste and then apply. So when someone comes and finds your article and they come and read here, when they click, they are taken to a purchase page, and that's how you are able to start making commissions like this online. That's how you're able to start making money online. So hope you've gotten enough value from that. I don't want to really go a lot, extend this video. So that's how you can make money from having a free Google site website. And you've already seen, that's the exact step-by-step process that I usually do. So always remember to hit that subscription button below, and if you want to learn how exactly you can be able to work on a one-on-one basis with you, and I'm able to really help you out to start really making real good enough money, what you can do is you can check the link below and click on it, register your email address and name, and then get into that offer that is there and actually get access to it. And then after that, I'll be able to get in touch with you, and we'll be able to work together, and I'll be able to understand I'll be able to help you understand how can you really crush it in the online space. Have a good time. Be blessed.